Hi guys, welcome back. I have another video for you today. I feel like this piece, it's from the Nigo collab with Louis Vuitton. He's a streetwear artist. So when I first saw the catalog of the pieces that he was creating, my eyes caught onto this piece and the duck. So it's a coin card holder, and you can also say it's a wearable wallet, but it comes with a D-ring. And this will attach to any bag. Honestly, you can even put it into your belt if you want to have that look to it. I don't know. Honestly, attach it to wherever, whenever. But this is more fun than usable, I would say. So if you're thinking about getting this for everyday use, I would not suggest it. But if it's something that you want to add to your collection, go for it. Or if it's something that's unique and fun, if you're into things that are unique and fun, do it. It's pretty much, he did there was a few animal logos that he did. The bear was one of there was a duck, there was also a turtle, and those were just some of the animals that he put onto the pieces. So back here it's canvas, but it's the signature Nigo collection. The font for Louis Vuitton is cool. Made in France too. Okay, so I'm just gonna put in some random gift cards and store cards that I have. See, like, you see how it kind of, see, it fits in there, right? I think there was like 5, but you see it right here, because of the weird shape. If you put any more, it might stick out and protrude. But right now I can close it fine. Definitely can't fit a phone in here, so don't even try. But this is more for a little, like, you know, it's for like accessories. Like you can put headphones in here, like I said, chapstick, some cards, some cash for sure, and whatever else you can fit in here. So this piece feels really unique to me because I feel like Louis Vuitton never really makes things like this. At least that's how I feel. So I think this piece was so interesting. So I was like, I need to get something like this because down the line you may not ever see anything like this. An animal shaped coin card pouch holder. But anyways, bye guys. See you next video. Bye guys.